Hey guys, today we're going to be taking a look at the brand new product from KidsRideShotgun with the Shotgun mountain bike tow rope. It's designed to keep kids out on the trails and riding for longer. The concept is simple. The rope is attached to the parent's saddle and connected to the kid's stem via a shock-absorbing rope. The convenience of the Shotgun hip pack is outstanding. Not only can you store the tow rope out of the way when descending, but you can also score additional space for some much-needed trail snacks. The soft end attachments means for no rubbing, scuffing or chip paint, which is what every grown-up who is precious about their belongings will be stoked about. This 3-metre stretchy polyester rope can take up to 200 kilograms of load. The shock-absorbing stretch of the rope offers a comfortable tow without getting caught in the wheel. The Shotgun MTB tow rope enables you to ride further, faster and for longer with your best mate, making riding way more enjoyable. As climbing can be really unmotivating for some kids, if you're in for some longer rides with your little ones, I'd highly recommend checking out Pushys.com.au for more info on this awesome product.